Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a powerful lesson from the book Focus on What Matters. If you ever feel busy all the time but still not moving forward, this video is for you. The main idea of this book is simple. Not everything in life deserves your time and attention. We waste energy on small things, messages, distractions, opinions, while the things that truly matter stay undone. The author reminds us that clarity is power. When you know what truly matters, your goals, your relationships, your growth, it becomes easier to say no to everything else. Instead of doing more, do what's meaningful. Ask yourself every day, is this taking me closer to my purpose or further away from it? That one question can change your focus, your results, and your peace of mind. So remember, success isn't about doing everything, it's about doing the right things. Start today, remove one distraction, and give more energy to what truly matters. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful ideas. Thanks for watching, stay focused, and stay growing.